Hello and welcome to Beginner Piano Lessons, a 14-week course designed to help you feel confident with the basics of piano. I'm your teacher Dylan Laine, and today's goal is to learn how to find middle C on the piano. Before we get started, make sure to download a free sample of my Beginner Piano Lessons ebook, which I will link in the description box down below. For every video in this course, there's a related page in the book which will contain color-coded examples, pictures of my hands on the piano chords, simplified definitions, as well as links to the related videos. During week 1 of our beginner piano lessons, we learned how to sit at the piano, how to number our fingers, and we learned proper hand position. All of those things make a great foundation for us to build on, which brings us to today, where we're going to learn how to play our first piano key, middle C. On the piano, there are white and black keys. Each key has a note name, and today we'll be looking for the C note. Notice that the black keys occur in groups of 2 and 3, alternating all the way up the piano. 3, 2, 3, 2. Let's take a moment now to get familiar with those groupings. I want you to place fingers 2 and 3 on a group of 2 black keys. Then place fingers 2, 3, and 4 on a group of 3 black keys. Now 2 and 3 on the next group of 2 black keys. And then fingers 2, 3, and 4 on the next group of 3 black keys. When you get to about the middle of the piano, I want you to switch to your right hand and same thing, use fingers 2 and 3 to play the group of 2 black keys. Then fingers 2, 3, and 4 on the group of 3. Fingers 2 and 3 on the next group of 2. Fingers 2, 3, and 4 on the next group of 3. And last, fingers 2 and 3 on the group of 2 black keys. Now that we've familiarized ourselves with the different groupings of black keys, go ahead and take your right hand, fingers 2 and 3, and place them on any group of 2 black keys on the piano. Then, if you take finger 2 and move it down and to the left to the note directly below it, that is a C note. This actually applies to any other group of 2 black keys on the piano. So let's find another C note on the piano. I'm going to choose this group of 2 black keys. And again, take finger 2, go down and to the left to the note directly below it. And there's a C note. Using my left hand, I'm going to pick another group of 2 black keys. And using my finger 3, I'm going to go down to the left to the note directly below it. And that's a C note. Let's use our right hand again to find another C note. So I'm going to find a group of 2 black keys. Then I'm going to go to the left to the note directly below the 2 black keys. And there's a C note. One more time using our left hand. I'm going to find a group of 2 black keys. Then I'm going to go down and to the left to the note directly below those 2 black keys. And there's a C note. Now that we know how to find C's on the piano, how do we know which one of those C's is middle C? For many pianos, middle C can actually be obvious because it could appear to be in the very middle of the piano. But to be sure, count the total number of white and black keys on your piano. On an 88-key piano, middle C is the 4th C from the left. On a 76-key, 61-key, and 49-key piano, it's the 3rd C from the left. I have an 88-key piano, so my middle C is going to be the 4th C from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next lesson, you'll learn all about the musical alphabet. Again, check the description box for a link to download a free sample of my Beginner Piano Lessons ebook, as well as for links to all 44 videos in this course. I'm Dylan Laine, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.